Hi everybody, my name is Barry Schwartz and this is a Search Buzz video recap. Today is Friday, July 5th. Hope everybody is having a nice July 4th Independence Day weekend in America. That being said, we have a lot to discuss over the past week in terms of search news. First off, we actually have a sponsor for the video, EliteFlyers.com. They went ahead and I'll put the logo up so you can see who they are, EliteFlyers.com. They went ahead and sent us these t-shirts. Backwards and forward, black and white. Now, I guess I'll figure out some type of contest that you can actually win. Maybe go ahead and comment on this video, subscribe. Let me know what you think could improve, and I'll go ahead and randomly send a couple t-shirts to a couple people based on them, commenting on the video itself. That being said, go ahead and listen to the whole video, and I'll hopefully have some type of nuggets in here that you can actually listen to. Again, thanks for Elite Flyers for sending the t-shirts and sponsoring the video. First up, if you want a quick recap of what happened over at Google in the past 30 days or so, we have our monthly Google Webmaster report. It's the July 2013 Google Webmaster report, which we posted today, July 5th. A lot of things are going on there. In the past month, Google released their spam algorithm. They went ahead and announced that Panda's rolling out slower over the next, since then. It's not like an immediate release, it's a slow release. Google released new mobile ranking factors. They also said that they're pushing out a multi-week update, which actually completed yesterday, according to them. And there's been a lot of chatter about a few updates, including this update, which is going on right now. There's a lot of volatility in the actual search results, and we actually have some screenshots of all that going on. So if you want to catch up, July 5th, it's the top news item at seroundtable.com this morning. Go ahead and check that out and let us know any of your feedback. Google has cleaned up their Webmaster Tools navigation elements. Specifically, they went ahead and reorganized the left-hand navigation for when you log into Webmaster Tools. They added another feature called Search Appearance Overlay, which basically shows newbies how the actual search results look and feel. And finally, they added a new administration gearbox, which makes it a lot easier for administrators to actually manage the pages. You don't have to click all around to figure it out. It's just a little gearbox at the top of Google Webmaster Tools. Matt Cutts said that using the Google Disavow tool can help you with your penguin issues. So if you have a penguin penalty, you're pretty confident you have a penguin penalty, you might want to look to use the Disavow tool to actually clean up your link profile and help you get out of this penguin penalty. The question is, can you test? Could you upload a Disavow file, submit it to Google, wait, see how it goes, then test and see what happens? Like maybe you disavow too much and you want to go ahead and boost your ranking, so you disavow less. Can you test, go back and forth? There's a discussion about that going back and forth in Google, on my site over there, seroundtable.com. The question is Google going to prevent you from testing it? And Matt Cutts says they're not stupid. They're aware people want to go ahead and test it. So go ahead and try, but you probably won't be able to get the information you need from that. Google Reader is finally gone as of July 1st at night, at least. That being said, there was some collateral damage around Google Reader. I switched to Feedly, and I'm very, very happy with Feedly. It's been working out very well. But there's collateral damage. One is iGoogle feed gadgets are no longer around since Google Reader powered them. And two, seems like Google, I'm not sure if Google Reader powered them, but Google Alerts, RSS delivery, the ability to get your Google search alerts via RSS, is no longer supported. I think it has to do with Google Reader, although Google would not confirm that. Google's keyword tool is going away very, very soon. And when it does, it will mean that you need to It will basically mean that you have to go ahead and have an AdWords account to use the Google Keyword Planner. Basically, you'll have to sign in, set up an AdWords account to get any of that Google Keyword data from the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Google AdSense finally added official support for asynchronous ad code. You can go to it by just going to set up the ad code and clicking on the code type. Now it's synchronous and asynchronous. It's still beta, but you definitely want to take a look at that because it can make your site load faster and hopefully monetize your site better. Google AdWords released competitive metrics to their impression share report. They added 3 new metrics: search impression share, search exact match impression share, and search lost IS rank. So that information will give you some AdWords for advertisers some more information about that stuff. AdSense enabled 2 new features within the ad blocking feature. One is enhanced text ads, and 2 is expandable ads. So you can actually now block those types of ads if you want to. Google AdSense is testing fave icons in the URL bar. So actually, when you do a search, when you go ahead and see ads AdSense ads on a page, you might see a fave icon right next to the URL listed in the ad. Not Google, AltaVista is now officially gone. Yahoo officially announced that they're going away. They are actually still live right now. If you go to altavista.com, it will work. But from July 8th going forward, Yahoo announced that they actually are going to shut it down. It's a very sad time. It's one of the founding search engines out there. Obviously not the first search engine, but it's one of the real first engines that were actually the most powerful ones out there. Google had a logo for the 130th birthday of Franz Kafka. Hopefully pronouncing that right. I mean, it's a very itchy logo. I'll show you a picture of that. And Google obviously had the Independence Day logo up yesterday. It was a pretty cool one. It was animated, let you flip through the different themes. So I'll show you a static version of that. Bing had a nice theme. Ask.com had a nice theme. Dogpile had an animated theme. And we also had a theme at our site. That being said, it was a very, very sad week for the search community. One of the people who's given the search community pretty much his life, Tedster at Webmaster World, passed away from an illness that he's been suffering with for the past couple of years at least. I don't know a person who's probably given as much of his time, efforts, and care and knowledge to the SEO community than Ted. He's been doing this for 15 plus years. I've known him for the past 10 years. And he was obviously the administrator at Webmaster World for a long time, moderating the most active Google forum out there in the world for the longest time. He's posted like 40,000 posts and public posts in the Webmaster World forum. He's contributed unbelievable amounts of content and knowledge to the community. He was awarded the Webmaster World Lifetime Achievement Award last year at the PubCon. That being said, it's a terrible, terrible loss for the community. I hope his family could take some condolence into the fact that he's given so much to the world, and his knowledge and his contributions will always be remembered. Anyway, Ted, may you rest in peace, and thanks for everything you've given us. That being said, that was the search news this week over at the Search Engine Roundtable. Today, again, is July 5th, and more of this information is at seroundtable.com at the Search Engine Roundtable. Everyone, have a great weekend. My name again is Barry Schwartz, and thanks again to the eliteflyers.com for the t-shirts. If anybody wants one, make sure to comment. I'll do some type of random thing and give out a couple of t-shirts per week for the next few weeks or so, or probably next 2 or 3 months or so to a bunch of people. So anyway, comment, give me feedback about the videos, let me know what you want to see, let me know what you don't want to see, and hopefully that will make the videos better and you'll get a t-shirt out of it. Thanks again, everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next. Bye.